Okay, number 1, find dy over dx for each of the following function. So we see now this is like, so we see here a, y is equal to 4x squared times 5x plus 3. So we are multiplying. So we have like two equations here, x and x. So if we find something like this, we cannot directly do dy over dx, because previously we have y is equal to 4, 5x plus 3. So this is without the variable, so it's okay, you can directly do. But then you see this one is x squared multiply with this one, so we have multiplication of these two, so we cannot directly do it. So if we have something like this, we have this formula, dy over dx is equal to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So you see here, u times differentiation of v plus v times differentiation of u, where the first one is u and this one is v. So you have to find out what is differentiation of dv over dx, and you have to find differentiation of du over dx to find the answer. So now you see u is equal to 4x squared, so we know that here du over dx is equal to, so we differentiate this one, so we know that to differentiate we bring the power forward, so we bring the power forward, so actually 4, so 2 we will bring forward, and then we minus the power with 1, so x, 2 minus 1, so we get 4 times 2 is 8, this one is x, or you can directly multiply 2 with 4. Okay, and then you have du over dx. Now we have to find what is dv over dx. So we see here, this one is 5x plus 3. So we know, differentiating the one with x, we will get the constant, which is 5. And differentiating the one without x will be 0. So we have dv over dx is equal to 5. So we have this one. So we can substitute. So dy over dx is equal to, so you see u. So u is this one, 4x squared. Alright, and then dv over dx is 5. Plus, so v here is, here 5x plus 3. du over dx is this one, which is 8x. So here you get 4 times 5 is 20x power of 2 plus, so this one you have to expand, you get 5 times 8x, you get 40x squared, 5, and then 3 times x you get plus 24x. So 20x squared plus 40x squared, you get 60x squared plus 24x. So by is equal to negative 2x cubed x plus 1. So here you see this one is expression with x squared, with x and with x. So we, actually you don't have to do this, just that you don't have to do the line here. I just want to show you how we can see. So this one is u and this one is v. So we see here, so u we multiply with differentiation of the back plus the back multiply with the differentiation at front. So here you find du over dx is equal to, so when you differentiate this, you see here power 3 times negative 2, you get negative 6. And then x will, the power will be minus with 1, 3 minus 1, you get negative 6x squared. So now you have to find dv over dx. So you see x. So when you differentiate x, you get 1. Because x is equal to 1x. So the one without the x will be 0. So you have 1. So now you can put the inside the formula. So u is negative 2x cubed. dv over dx is equal to 1. So you have to plus, you see the formula here. So v is x plus 1. And then du over dx is negative 6x to the power of 2. So here when you multiply, you get negative 2x cubed. So here x times negative 6x cubed, you get negative 6x cubed. So 1 times negative 6x cubed, net square. So 1 times negative 6x squared, you get negative 6x squared. So here negative 2 and negative 6, you get negative 8x cubed minus 6x squared. C, y is equal to x squared times 1 minus 4x power of 4. So you see here, this is a combination from the previous one. So here, this one is u and this one is v. So we need to find du over dx is equal to, when you differentiate x squared, you bring the power forward, you get 2 here, x, and then you minus the power with 1, this is 2 minus 1, so you get 2x. So now you differentiate dv over dx. So you see here, you have power here, right? So to differentiate this one, you have to bring the power forward. So 4, and then you don't touch the inside the bracket first, 1 minus 4x. So the power 4 minus 1, you get 3. And then after that, you will differentiate what is inside. So you differentiate, you get, okay, you differentiate inside. You see? So here, 1 minus 4x to the power of cube. So when you differentiate this, you see here, when you differentiate 1, it will become 0. When you differentiate negative 4x, you get negative 4. Yeah, right. When you differentiate x, you get what's the number in front it. So it's equal to, we multiply 4 times negative 4, you get negative 16. So 1 minus 4x cube. Now you have du, you have du over dx, dv over dx, u and v, you can do dy over dx. So dy over dx is equal to, so it's x squared, and then u times dv over dx, dv over dx is this one, you see here, negative 16, 1 minus 4 x cube, alright. So plus v is this one, 1 minus 4x to the power of 4, du over dx is 2x. So you see here, so x and negative 16 outside can be multiplied, so you get negative 16x squared. So this one is 1 minus 4x to the power of 3 plus 1 minus 4x to the power of 4, 2x. So you see here, this one in this one is similar, so we can factorize it out. So what we can factorize, this one is power of 3, power of 4. So we can definitely take the power of 3 out. So when I take the power of 3 out, you see here, 1 minus 4x to the power of 3. So what I have left is that, so this one I have negative 16x squared, right? So this one, since I have taken 1 minus 4x to the power of 3, so I have another 1 minus 4x. So this one is multiplied with 2x. So here, 1 minus 4x to the power of 3, so this one is negative 16x squared. So plus 1 times 2x, I get 2x. And then 1, and then negative 4x times 2x, I get negative 8x squared. So which is equal to 1 minus 4x cubed, and then negative 16 minus negative 8, you get negative 24x squared plus 2x. So if there is anything else you can factorize, you take out. So you see 24 and 2 can be taken out, and you have x also. So you take out 2x. So here you have 2x, 1 minus 4x cubed. And then after you take out 2x, here you get negative 12x plus 1. So here dy over dx, so it's equal to 2x. So this one is negative 12 plus negative 12x plus 1. So you can make it negative in the middle, so negative 12x. And then here would be 1 minus 4x cubed. So this one is for C. dy is equal to x squared, third 1 minus 2x squared. So you see here this one, so it's better for you to change it to power. So here x squared, and then this one would be 1 minus 2x squared, 1 over 2. So this one would become u, and this one would become v. So you see here, this one u and this one v. If you cannot see, I just make a border so that you can see. So here, du over dx is equal to, when you differentiate x squared, you bring the 2 forward, you get 2 here. So x, and then the power will be need to minus 1. So this one is 2 minus 1. So you get 2x. And then you have to find out what is, this one is dv over dx. So here dv over dx is equal to, so you see here, to differentiate this one, you see here you have the power here, you bring the power forward, so you have half here, and then this one is half 1 minus 2x square, right? And then the power need to be minus with 1. So half minus 1. You see here, you don't touch the inside the bracket first because you will differentiate it later. So you differentiate what is inside. So here you get half. So 1 minus 2x square. So half minus 1, negative half. So in this case, when you differentiate 1, you get 0. You differentiate negative 2x square. So you multiply the power with the front one. 2 times negative 2, you get negative 4. And then you minus the power with 1. This is 2, right? So 2 minus 1, you get x. Is equal, so 2 and negative 4 can be cut off into 2. So you get negative 2x. 1 minus 2x squared to the power of negative half. So I wanted to write it here. So I want to write here dv over dx is equal to negative 2x, 1 minus 2x squared, negative half. So here dy over dx is equal to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So here u is equal to x squared. dv over dx is equal to negative 2x times half minus 2x squared power of negative half plus v, where is it? V is here, 1 minus 2x squared half, and then du over dx is, this one is 2x, right? 2x. So this one is closed. You see here, this one is u times dv over dx is this one, negative 2x, and then this one is v plus du. So here, x squared and negative 2x, you can expand negative 2x cubed. So 1 minus 2x squared, negative half. So plus 2x, 1 minus 2x squared, half. So you see here, this one is negative half and this one is half. So negative 2x cubed, so negative half, the power would be below. So 1 minus 2x squared plus, so this one 2x, so half would be above, so third 1 minus 2x squared. So to combine this, you see here, you have to make the denominator equal. So here dy over dx is equal to negative 2x cubed over 1 minus 2x squared plus, so you multiply this one with this one, 2x 1 minus 2x squared times, so this one would be 1 minus 2x squared, so 1 minus 2x squared. So here you have negative 2x cubed per 1 over 2x squared plus, so when you multiply this one, you get 2x. So this one and this one would become 1 minus 2x squared divided by 1 minus 2x squared. So you see here, third and square can be cut off. So here, so you see the denominator is equal, so you can combine. So dy over dx, negative 2x cubed plus, so here it will be 2x times 1 minus 2x squared divided by 1 minus 2x squared. So here when you expand negative 2x cubed, 2x times 1 you get plus 2x, 2x times negative 2, 4x squared, you get negative 4x cubed divided by 1 minus 2x squared. So you see here, negative 2x cubed and negative 4x cubed. So you can combine negative 6x cubed, negative 2 minus 4, negative 6 plus 2x divided. So 1 minus 2x squared. So you can factorize, right? So you see x and 2 can be taken out. So you take out 2x. So when you take out 2x, so you are left with here would be negative 3x squared plus 1. So divided by set 1 minus 2x squared. So we see here, we don't want negative to be at front, so we change place, this one and this one. So here dy over dx is equal to 2x. This one will be 1 minus 3x squared divided by set 1 minus 2x squared. Y is equal to 4x minus 3 times 2x plus 7, 6. So you see here, we know that this one is u, this one is v. So du over dx is equal to, so when we differentiate, the one with x, we take the 4, and the one without x will be 0. So now dv over dx is equal to, when we differentiate this one, we bring the power front, so we have 6 here, and then we have 2x plus 7, we don't touch the middle in the bracket because we will differentiate later. And then the power, after we bring the power, we need to minus the power with 1. So 6 minus 1. And then we differentiate what is inside, differentiate 2x plus 7. So here we get 6. So 2x plus 7 to the power of 5. When you differentiate this, so 2x you will get 2. And you differentiate 7, you will get 0. So 6 times 2, you get 12. So here 2x plus 7, 5. Now you have uv du over dx, dv over dx. Now we can proceed. So here dy over dx is equal to u is 4x minus 3 times dv over dx. So dv over dx is this one, which is 12, 2x plus 7 to the power of 5. And then plus v, so v is this one, 2x plus 7 to the power of 6. And then du over dx is equal to 4. So you see here, you can take out 12 outside, so 4x minus 3. So this one 2x plus 7 to the power of 5. So here would be plus 4, 2x plus 7 to the power of 6. So you see here, this is same. The difference is this one is power of 5, this one is power of 6. So we can factorize by taking 2x plus 7 to the power of 5 out. So 2x plus 7 to the power of 5 out, we can factorize, we take out. So from this one, when we take out this one, we are left with 12, 4x minus 3, right? So for this one, since we take out 2x plus 7 to the power of 5, so we are left with 2x plus 7 to the power of 1. You see here, 6. Power of 6 divided by power of 5, we get power of 1 lah, this one. So which is equal to 2x plus 7 to the power of 5. So 12 times 4x, you get 48x. 12 times negative 3, you get negative 36. And then 4 times 2x, you get 8x. 4 times 7, you get 28. So 2x plus 7 to the power of 5. So 48 plus 8, you get 56x. Negative 36 plus 28, you get negative 8. So here you have to take out 4 again. Sorry, I forgot. Tak perasan. Dy over dx is equal to, so 58 and 56 and 8, you can take out 8 out, right? So you see here, you can take out, okay, never mind, just do it. Okay, this one. So you can take out 8. So when you take out 8, you are left with 56x divided by 8, you get 7x. And then negative 8 divided by 8, you get negative 1. So here you bring this one forward. So 8, 7x minus 1, 2x plus 7 to the power of 5. F y is equal to x plus 5 to the power of 3, x minus 4 to the power of 4. So we know this one is u, this one is v. So du over dx is equal to, so you differentiate this one, you get, so you bring 3 forward, you get 3 here, so x plus 5. So when you bring forward, you have to minus your power with 1. So, and then you differentiate what is inside the bracket. So d over dx, so this one is x plus 5. So here you get 3x plus 5. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And you differentiate this one. So x will become 1. So 5 will become 0. So just 1. So you get 3x plus 5 to the power of 2. So now you differentiate dv over dx. So we know that this one is x minus 4 to the power of 4. So we bring the power forward. You get 4 here. So x minus 4. When you bring forward, you minus the power with 1. And then you differentiate inside the bracket, which is x minus 4. So here for x minus 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So when you differentiate this one, so x you differentiate, you get x back. 1, sorry, when you differentiate x, you get 1 because x is equal to 1x. So here you get 4, so x minus 4 cubed. Now you have uv, du and dv, you can calculate inside the formula. So here dy over dx is equal to u is this one, x plus 3 cubed. Alright, and then dv over dx is this one, which is times 4 times x minus 4 cubed. Alright, and then you have to plus with v, so your v is x minus 4 to the power of 4. Alright, and then du over dx is this one, which is 3 times x plus 5 square. Too small. Alright, so here this one. So when you get this, actually you have to factorize. So you see here, this one is, you see this one is x plus 5, right? Never mind, just expand first. So this one is 4, x plus 5, 3, x minus 4, 3. Plus this one would be 3, x minus 4, 4, x plus 5, 2. So you see here first, you have x plus 5 at both, right? So you see this one is power of 3, this one is power of 2. So you can take out power of 2 out. So you can take out x plus 5 to the power of 2 out. Alright. So this one you see here, x minus 4, this one is power of 3. This one is power of 4. So you can take out power of 3 out. After you factorize, then you see what you have left. So when you take out this one, for the first one, after you take out x plus 5 to the power of 2, so you, and this one, so this one you are left with 4. So this one you take out power of 2, so you are left with power of 1. And then x minus 4 power of 3, you take out 3, so you don't have this one anymore. So this one is plus 3. So x minus 4 to the power of 4. So here you take out power of 3, so you are left with x minus 4, right? So, and this one, x plus 5 to the power of 2, we already take out power of 2, so we don't have x plus 5 yet at the back. You see here? So the front one, after we take out this one, we are left with this one. And the back one, after we take out this one, we are left with this one. So here dy over dx is equal to, so x plus 5 square, x minus 4 cube. So this one in the bracket, so you can expand 4 times x, you get 4x. 4 times 5, you get 20. And then plus 3 times x, you get 3x. 3 times negative 4, you get negative 12. So here you get, so x plus 5 square, x minus 4 cube. So 4x plus 3x, you get 7x. 20 minus 12, you get plus 8, right? So here, this one you can bring forward. So 7x plus 8 times x plus 5 to the power of 2 times x minus 4 to the power of 3. This is the answer. Quite long lah.